Now in the power stations, an electrical device is used and it's called a transformer. What do transformers do? They do what their name implies. They transform voltages from one value to another. They either increase or decrease the potential difference of an alternating current. Now, in a transformer, we have a primary part and a secondary part. When the secondary currents are higher than its primary voltage, we call it a step-up transformer. And the step-up transformers are used at power stations to transfer electricity to the national grid. These transformers make the size of the alternating potential difference much bigger. But to supply electricity from the national grid to consumers, we need step-down transformers, where high primary voltage is converted to low secondary voltage.